Administration Officer, Sir Wendell Katabisan, sir. To our elders, supportive school principal, Ma'am Marisol Owalpeche, ma'am. To our guest speaker, Ma'am Lloyda G. Atanasio. To the faculty and staff of Pamahalat Integrated School, our hardworking PTA officials, supportive barangay officials, sir. Our honored guests and visitors, beloved parents and families, and to my dear co-graduating candidates, maayong adlaw kaninyong tanan. Today, I stand before you with a heart full of gratitude and humility as with honor among achievers garnering of 97 general weighted average together with Miss Lynette Bimiso. But more than this recognition, I stand here as a witness of faith, of perseverance, and of hope. First and foremost, I give back all the glory to God. Na kung wala siya, wala nito karon din. Every step I took, every fear I conquered, and every tear I shed in silence. He was there. He was guiding me, strengthening me, and reminding me to keep going. My academic journey was never easy. Why? Because dili ko perfect nga pagka-student. Before, I was the silent one. The girl na mahadlok makistorya, mahadlok makipag-atubang sa mga tao. For short, wala yun na self-confidence, wala yun na sa akua. Bata pa lang magod nyo, if you can see the way I talk, I have an oral difficulty. If you could observe that, that's why I dili kay ko especially the mga confidence wala gyud ko ana. Because I'm scared. Because what if every one of you will judge me? That's why I'm not socializing with everyone or with you. But when I grow up, hiding in silence, thinking na dili na ako kaya. Muna, growing up, naaral yun yung permanente nakatago sa aninong kanuhadlo kung magawas o matubang sa kahayag na wala pa na akong atubang. But life had challenged me. Di atubang na akong pinakadakong kahadlo or facing my biggest fear. Even at a young age, nisugot ko nga maoperahan. Not because isugyo, but because I refused to be left behind. At the age of 7, nisugot na ko nga mag-opera para maka-appeal ko o para dili ko yung ma-left behind sa palibot. So good ako. Honestly, in elementary, wala yun yung award sa una. Wala ko ma-receive niya awards. And because wala kong kayo na participate sa mga activities kay maglisod na yung storya, maglisod yung maghihalubilong ay dili baya sila makasabot sa ako the way I talk. No, ako is just a student nga musulod lang yun sa classroom, maminaw ug mauli. Ang ana rin na permi kuyok-kuyok, musulod, maminaw mauli, musulod, maminaw mauli. Wala nay lain. Pero one day, someone believed in me, and slowly, I learned to believe in myself. Magpangatukan Central Elementary School Choir to Adjong Memorial College Foundation Band. No leadership, ni-step out ko sa akong comfort zone, ni-risk ko, di-face na ako tanan pag-lisod o gahadlok, o dito nagsugod ang akong maglambok. Life wasn't easy. Dagan adjustment, ungod kay how many times ko na-transfer o eskwelahan kung sa trabaho sa akong mother. Magbangahan Elementary School, ni-transfer ko og Kalilangan Baptist Christian Academy. Tupangatukan Central Elementary School, tupangatukan National High School, Tulampanusan National High School, to Adjong Memorial College Foundation Incorporated in Waolano del Sur, and finally, nabalik na gihapon ko din in Bangahan Integrated School. So, pila ka years, pila ka journey, di rin ako dyan ko ibalik ni Lord. And I'm happy for that. Nung ahak ko nag-start, dito ko dyan ibalik. Daghang luha o pressure ako na experience during this journey. Kay maglisod ba nag-adjust sa mga lugar, especially nga wala kay kamay na hibawaan, especially nga ang dialect, ang language, ang accent. Una, pag-transfer na ako dito sa pangantukan na gikan dili. Dili ako kasabog ang Bisaya. Saon nila ko, Lord, pero ang ano rin ni Lord is padayon. Mag-transfer na ko na akong wao. Dili na po yung kasabot na lalong niya hilunggo. Pag nabot ako dili, ay may gali, pantay-pantay ra. No, okay, nasabtan nila ko. But I kept going. I studied hard, tried harder, and prayed harder. Because I realized success is not about money. It's about determination, discipline, and perseverance. Today, I stand not because I am the smartest, but because I never give up. My dear graduating candidates, life does not allow us to grow in comfort. Ninahanglan din nato atubangon ang atong kahadlok. So, I did. From a child who struggled to speak, to someone who now stand here speaking before all of you. This is not just an achievement. This is a miracle of courage, faith, and perseverance. Today, I want to make one thing clear. This moment is not about me alone. Dili na niingon nga akong kalampusan or kagaugan. Sa tinuod lang, mas proud pa ko sa akong mga classmates kaysa sa akong galingon. I am deeply and sincerely proud of my classmates because behind every smile we wear today are stories of silent struggles. Behind every step we took to reach this stage are sacrifices that the world may never see. Daghan sa ato ang nakasinati og kalisod, mga adlaw nga walay sigurado nga baon, mga gabi nga walay kasiguruan kung unsa ang pagpadayon, mga pangandoy nga usahay mula layok na kaayo kabuoton. And yet, we are here, you are here, facing now and facing your success. We showed up, we endured, we fought quietly but bravely. Sa matag adlaw nga kapoy na, wala ka ni undang. Sa matag pagsulay nga mula dili na kaya, ni padayon gihapon ta. And honestly, you inspire me, my dear virtual classmates. Your strength became my strength. Your perseverance became my motivation. Your courage reminded me that I'm not alone in this journey. Kung nakaabot ka nga punto, tungod po na ninyo. Because I saw how you continued despite having so little. And that reminded me that success is not measured by what we have, but by how we rise, even we have almost nothing. To our DAP and administration, sir, thank you for your leadership and unwavering commitment to shaping young minds. Sa among mahal nga principal, ma'am, thank you for believing in us, for guiding us, and for creating a school where dreams are nurtured. So our faculty and staff, especially sa among advisor, Ma'am Dayan Ladera, Sir Derwin Gisona, and Sir Christian J. Suaan, and to the rest na wala na ko na-mention, daghang salamat sa inyong presensya, sakripisyo, o dedikasyon. You did not just teach lessons to us, but you shaped our lives, you built our confidence, and you help us discover who we can become. To our officials and visitors, thank you for your support and presence. You are part of this journey more than you know. And to our dear parents and families, kamo ang among unang inspirasyon ay mi nakaabot ani. O hantod pag-aabot namo ani, kamo lang gyapon amo ang inspirasyon. Behind every success we celebrate today are your sacrifices, ang inyong kakapoy, ang inyong pagbalingkamot, ang inyong gugma nga walay sukod. Sa akong pamilya, salamat sa inyong pagtuo sa ako. bisan sa mga panahon nga ako mismo nagduha-duha sa akong kaugalingon. And to my fellow graduates, my dear classmates, this is our victory. Dili lang ni akong kalapusan, kini ang kadaugan ato ning tanan. So, as we move forward in life, always remember this. Do not compare your journey with others. Ayaw hulata ang perfect moment. Create it. Madayon bisan lisod, madayon bisan kapoy, madayon bisan walay kasiguruhan. Because in the end, dili ang pinaka-bright ang magmalampuson, kundi ang pinaka-isog nga mo padayon bisan o napila na siya napildi. Let us carry not just our dreams, but the stories that made us stronger. Let us walk forward, not in fear, but in faith. Once again, this is Valeria Morbius Plato from the bottom of my heart. Daghang salamat. And with great pride, I say, congratulations, BAT 2025-2026. We made it.
Thank you.